welcome back to the perfect place on YouTube if you are aspiring to join the Indian Armed Forces. Now, Michael Jordan once said that talent can make you win games, but it is teamwork which can make you win championships. Now, we all know how important is teamwork in the Indian Armed Forces. However, when we talk about the Services Selection Board or the SSB, teamwork is synonymous with the snake race, also known as the GOR or the group obstacle race. The GOR is a very important part of the group testing technique, which gives the GTO a chance to assess the individual's behavior and attitude in a group activity. Now, in this video, Brigadier Amardeep Singh, who is a former GTO, will be briefing you about the GOR or the group obstacle race, and thereafter a group of candidates will be demonstrating the whole task to you so that you can get a clear idea of what exactly happens in the GOR and how is it carried out in the actual SSB. In the recent few weeks, we have launched multiple videos on different GTO tasks. If you want to check out those videos, make sure that you click on the I button above and you will directly go to the GTO series playlist. If you have any doubts or suggestions for our future videos, make sure that you leave a comment down below. If you find this video beneficial, make sure that you like it and share it with your friends. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't done it already and hit the notification bell for our future updates, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram.
That we are going to perform today is called
Snake race.
snake race. What is the official name for it?
Group obstacle race.
Group obstacle race. Absolutely right. Now, as the name suggests, it's an obstacle course which you have to clear, and since the word group is prefixed, that means you have to do it in a group. Excellent. Alright, so in the group obstacle race, basically what happens is we have a set of 6 obstacles which you have to clear, and in this task, for the first time, one group will be competing with another group. So far, you have been working together either individually, like an individual obstacle, or say the lecturate, or in all other places you have been working together in your own group. But here, for the first time, one group will compete with the other group. Alright?
Yes, sir.
And this is a race, group obstacle race. So when we have a race, what happens at the end of a race? Yes, so we have to have a winner. So this is a competition. Let me see which team will win. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now just to give you a rundown as to how this task is to be done. If you look to your right, you see those 4 cloth long things lying there on the ground?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are they? Snakes. Alright, don't worry, they won't bite you. Right, they resemble a snake, so that's why loosely we call it a snake race. Now, the rules of this task are such. Number 1, each team will hold a snake each. Every member of the team has to hold the snake at all times. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Once the snake has been picked up, it cannot be put down until the end of the race. If it touches the ground, it's a foul. Next, you will carry the snake with you over the obstacle along with you. If you go over the obstacle, the snake will go over the obstacle. If you go under the obstacle, the snake will follow exactly the same path. Alright? All of you have to hold the snake at all times with one exception. When you are negotiating the obstacle, at that point of time, minimum 3 people should hold the snake. Others can leave the snake at that point of time. This rule has been made so that it's easy for you to negotiate the obstacle. Next, since it's a group race, you have to ensure that your group members all follow the rules, and you have to help each other in negotiating the obstacle. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
You are all familiar with the color rule. anything which is red is out of bounds. Right?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Okay. 6 minutes and 20 seconds is the existing record on this course. Okay? Yes, sir. Let's see if we can break that record.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody, any issues, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, good. All right. So, while this activity, this task is done in all the Josh, like a race, yet never ever forget you are under assessment. All right?
Yes,
This is not just a game to be done. The GTO is carrying out an assessment of your various officer-like qualities. All right? So therefore, it is extremely important that you keep certain factors in mind when you are attempting it. Alright?
Yes, sir.
What do you think are the qualities we look for when you are doing this group obstacle?
Initiative, cooperation,
Cooperation, social adaptability, what else?
determination, courage, stamina,
Determination.
organizing ability,
Good.
no one is left behind, alumnus,
Looking after your team, that is part of the cooperation, social adaptability, and most importantly,
teamwork,
sense of responsibility, not breaking the rules. The most important. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Now some of you got carried away. Race hai, jeetna hai, rules gaye bhaad mein. Huh? So don't do that ever. It is not so important to win. It is more important to ensure that you do the task the way it is supposed to be done, the way you have been briefed by the GTO. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if that is clear, then the real winner is going to be that team, and in that particular team, those guys, and it applies to all the teams, those guys who do this task in all sincerity and do it well, keeping all the instructions which have been given to you in mind. Alright? In your Josh, when you are touching the red, what are you showing? Lack of responsibility. Right? When you are, jumping off the wall, when you are told you will not jump off the wall, you will turn around, hang with your hands and come down. What have you done? You have disregarded the rules. In other words, you have disobeyed. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, in your mind, the logic is we got to win. I can do it. I know you can do it. I know you can jump off. But remember, as a GTO, I am looking to select you guys as officers in the army. When I say army, I mean all the three armed forces. So therefore, do we want people who are casual? Do we want people who are disobedient? Do we want people who are not going to care about their teammates and the rules and the organization per se? No. Right? So please remember that you must follow the instructions of the GTO in totality.
Yes, sir.
Always keep smiling. Not only you look handsome and smart and good looking, you also make the whole environment around you cheerful. Okay?
Yes,
And by smiling, what do you tell us about yourself?
Confident enough.
Liveliness.
Confidence, liveliness. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anybody, any minor cuts, bruises?
No, sir.
All well?
Yes, sir.
Alright, pick up the snake, leave it at the start line, and we'll assemble at the PGT. Carry on.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for all the future updates. If you're new to this channel, then do check out our other videos as well. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram.